Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have here a fairly big cold front which is going to be sweeping across the southern parts of the country throughout Thursday, giving us cloud and rainy weather across the western and eastern Cape. The wet weather will also spill into the southern parts of the northern Cape and spread eastwards throughout the day into much of KwaZulu-Natal, where fairly heavy rains are possible in places. Thunderstorms will persist across much of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It's going to be dry for the rest of South Africa, but look at this. Late springtime snowfalls are forecast over the northeastern parts of the eastern Cape, over parts of Lesotho, maybe spilling into the southern Drakensberg Mountains. So you can expect up to an 80% chance of rain this Thursday over the southern parts of the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. The dark shade of blue represents up to a 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms, and the chance of precipitation decreases to up to 40% as we go further inland. Now, the South African Weather Service is maintaining a watch for severe thunderstorms wherever you see that shade of amber over much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. We also have a watch for heavy rains which could reach and exceed 50 millimeters in the next 24 hours across southern and eastern KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be cooler this Thursday across the southern parts of South Africa compared to what we've been seeing lately, with Sutherland managing a high of just 16, 21 for the mother city, a bit cooler as we go towards Port Elizabeth and Bishop. Temperatures in the lower 20s for Durban, Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg. It's going to stay warm to hot over the northeast. Pretoria and Polokwane peaking at 29, 27 for the high in Johannesburg. We are going to stay with poor beach conditions this Thursday along much of the west coast. It's going to stay cloudy and wet over these coastal areas. Wet weather is also forecast along the southwest coastline, and this together with the fresh to strong southeasterlies will also keep beach conditions unfavorable. Poor beach conditions are also forecast along the south coast here. Winds could gust up to 50 kilometers per hour around Port Elizabeth. Lastly, along the east coast, we are also expecting wet weather with strong winds around East London, and moderate northeasterlies are forecast for Durban and Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.